वो साइड से वो साइड में वो आगे बैठे अदनान साइड हो जाओ। अरे कम सना वेट सना वेट सना वेट सना एक स्टेप पीछे बस ज्यादा
Good evening, Mumbai.
सना है सेंटर
This is the Black Sapphire Band. We come from a very small city of
सना
Goa.
वेट
If you heard about Goa, can you make some noise?
सना यहाँ पे कैमरे में यस
Alright, everybody has heard about Goa. We're going to give you a little bit of Goa music.
सना
We
यहाँ
compose
पे
songs in our own language, Hindi language of Konkan. I'm not sure.
चल रहा है जाने दो जाने दो फिर भी चल रहा है हाँ ये आदत है
अभी आदर्श के साथ भी लेना है।
हाँ साथ हो जाएगा
कहीं नहीं जाती।
यस फोटो साथ में दोनों का साथ में करते ना अरे फोटो साथ में बैकड्रॉप है ना अच्छा बैकड्रॉप कैंडी मोबाइल थोड़ा पीछे ले ना दिया क्या बोथ ऑफ यू सेंटर हियर भाई एक स्टेप पीछे भाई एक स्टेप पीछे सेंटर लुक सेंटर यो भाई तुम्हारा एक सोलो लेते ना भाई
Guys, come on, how did you like the trailer? Give me a huge cheer, come on! Okay, सबसे पहले तो welcome guys. We absolutely love the trailer. That much.
It's a survival creature feature film. So there's going to be a lot of blood, a lot of competition between both the characters. And it's going to be a blast, I promise you that. Please go to the theaters and watch the film. Thank you so much.
Thank you. सबसे पहले तो मैं आदर्श आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ that you know a few years back you were here at Kala Ghoda and you were performing at Kala Ghoda Arts Festival and that's when you in a way got discovered as well. And something very coincidental happened today with you as well. I want to be asking about that also and the whole feeling कि आप यहाँ पे दोबारा आज आए हो तो please उसके बारे में बताइए.
Kafi surreal feeling hai because in 2008, till 2008, I didn't even know that I wanted to be an actor, and I was actually singing Vande Mataram at the Kala Ghoda festival. In those days, it used to happen near the Gateway of India. And a lady called Nazli Karimboy saw me and asked me if I was interested in acting, and that's actually how I began my acting journey. And what's crazy is that 19 years from then, I am beginning my playback singer journey today from here. Our song Jilia that Aditya Narayan and me composed and made together released yesterday, and it's quite surreal to be here, guys. Thank you so much for braving the AQI and keeping your other plans aside and coming and supporting us. Thank you.
एक चीज का मुझे बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी है और वो ये है कि ठीक है इसमें जो थर्ड एक्टर लाइक यू सेड इज द क्रोकोडाइल राइट एंड आई एम रियली क्यूरियस एज टू व्हाट द नेम ऑफ दैट क्रोकोडाइल इज उसका क्या नाम है शनाया आपको पता है
चला गया यार चलो
गुड़िया
Oh, that's a really nice question.
So yeah, for those who could not listen, I asked them that इस मूवी में इन दोनों की केमिस्ट्री तो बहुत अमेजिंग है ही, राइट? बट इनमें इंडिविजुअली क्रोकोडाइल के साथ किसकी केमिस्ट्री बहुत ज्यादा है, वो भी जाननी है मेरे को.
What do you think? No, I mean, I think that you all will have to go and watch the film to find out. Now, I can't say everything, no, here today.
Okay, we are very excited. Come on, guys, a huge round of applause. And you know, एक चीज जो आदर्श ने वाले हैं,
तो मैंने फिर बेइज्जती हो जाएगी मेरी. पहले आप गाना सुन लो, फिर डिसाइड करो मैं अमेजिंग हूँ कि नहीं.
कर लिया जाए. Come on, गा लिया जाए गाना. Come on. Okay, we ready? कौन सा गाना आप इनको गाने बोलने वाले?
This is one of my favorite songs, at least from the film, which is Gelia, and I think that why don't you just go for it? Make everyone hear it. Yeah?
Let's take it away, guys. That's mine.
मैं नहीं गा रही हूँ. मैं गाऊंगी तो आप सब लोग घर जाओगे.
Now you can take a seat. You can enjoy the.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Oh my
Thank you.
God, that was awesome, bro. Wow. That was beautiful, guys. Come on, how did you like it? Lovely. What was the feeling like before? That's beautiful. Okay, where's Shania? Shania is right here. Can we have Shania back on stage? Come on, guys.
Now Shania is going to sing the song for you all.
Shania, करना है आपको भी? You wanna sing as well?
No.
हम लोग निकल जाते हैं.
Short answer, but no, this was amazing, guys. I mean, wasn't that insane? Please, can we have some more energy?
Can
Because
we-
I'm like really feeling it. I'm down to go for a party right now. But I need some more energy, right?
Yes, please. And can we also have a big round of applause for Aditya Narayan? He composed
Yes.
this song
Woo!
and produced this song. Thank you.
You guys have like beautiful dialogues in this movie जो इतने viral चल रहे हैं. One of those is collab करेगी क्या? And I think ये collaborations का ज़माना है. I think every creator out there, they need to do more collabs, right? So that they get the eyeballs that they deserve. तो इस केस में भी हम लोगों को collab करते हुए कुछ मस्त फोटो या वीडियो लेना चाहिए इनके साथ, है ना? है कि नहीं?
हक से भाई, हक से।
लेना चाहिए ना? Okay, तुम लोग give your wildest poses or smiles or applauses when we take this video, and we're going to be doing it with this camera, and this is going to be up on the internet. तो ठीक है, अब ready है? Okay, collaborations are much needed.
हमें सेल्फी पे होना चाहिए तो उल्टा घूम के
सेल्फी पे, हाँ.
आप भी आओ ना अंदर।
Yes, yes, yes.
Guys, put your hands in the air. Come on, let's see some
Come
show.
on, guys, put your hands in the air. Tu Ya Main releasing on the 13th of February. We've got Adarsh and we've got Shania. Come on.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much, Adarsh and Shania.
Thank you, भाई.
And guys, do watch the movie 13th of February को release हो रही है Valentine's वाले time पे, जाके जरूर देखना, ठीक है? Thank you, give them all
Thank
the
you,
love, and thank you so much. Thank you Shania, thank you Adarsh, thank you. And guys, ये night में भी और बहुत सारी चीजें.
So how does it feel to be here at Kala Ghoda Arts Festival?
Very nostalgic. I'm here after 19 years. I was here in 2007. It's actually where I began my acting journey from, because while singing Vande Mataram on stage in Kala Ghoda was where I got scouted and I was asked if I was interested in acting. So it's a very life coming a full circle moment for me. It's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, for me, it's very exciting. I feel that all the cultures, all the different kinds of creative people coming together, art forms coming together, and I think it's a really fun time for Mumbai right now. There's so many vibrant colors, vibrant festivals happening, there are workshops. So I feel it's a really fun time. Yeah.
Tell us about the project you're here to promote.
It's a film called Tu Ya Main. It's a creature feature survival film, but it also has a lot of romance and action in it. Basically about two content creators / influencers from Mumbai. They both come from very different parts of Mumbai, and you want to.
Yeah, it's a very exciting film. I think for our industry, we haven't seen a film with romance and a survival thriller mixed into one. So it's a very exciting time for us. We've seen, the rom-coms, we've seen the horror comedy, but this is something new that we're trying to do. So hopefully the audiences like it.
Anything you guys would like to add to the audience?
We're just very thankful to the audience that they showed up in such large numbers. Very, very grateful for all the support all the time. And yeah, it was just great to be on stage again to perform. Great to be here with Shania as well, promoting the film. We hope that we can come here again next year.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
अगली बार ऐसा करना है ना तो ये बूम बूम सब मेरा